Here's LIFELIKE app. So it's a nice alternative to Toki AI or Character AI or Chai app. And then, yep, you can create your account here for free. So basically, you can just go and find this app. Here it is. And then you can sign up using Google, your email or password. Or you can just sign in. So as you want. And then you just continue from here. Then you can tap share and install this app as a home screen, and this way you will create a bookmark, and then you can try to use it as a kind of like mobile bookmark, because at the moment there is no native iOS app or Android app. There is only a website, but this app is getting better and better. I hope they will release a mobile app quite soon. And then here, what's the cool part of the app is that you can use it as audio first chatting. So what I mean, so basically if you go to character, you can just tap on the character and start chatting via your microphone. You just give access to your microphone in your Safari or Chrome browser, and then you start chatting like an audio experience. So that's like what's different with this app and like Toki app AI or Character AI, because this app has audio first experience, and then yeah, you can also just switch to chat and then just start chatting here, and yeah, so that's what it is, as you want. But these text chats are quite common. There are dozens of apps for doing that, but I was quite kind of impressed with this audio first experience. So that's pretty cool feature, and it's becoming better and better with all these new AI models, and it feels like you're talking with a real bot, almost like with a real person. And then here you have all these characters. You can reset characters. You can change your persona, so you can choose a persona. Using a persona allows characters to remember details about you and personalize their responses. You don't have any personas, create one to get started, so you can use that. Then there are different chat settings. You can select different AI model. You can select different chat mode. Um, then just share a character, and that's what it is. And then, for example, what I mean is that if you just go to the app, you have like sleep call here. For example, you can have like calming call, which can help you to get to fall asleep, for example. So that's a nice feature. And then you have also like role play logs. You can bookmark it. And then in the menu in top right, you can just go in here and start creating your character. So first, to create your character, you just add in name and description. What is your character name? This is what they will call themselves. So here, for example, you can just try to add like name, describe your character in detailing. For example, optional, and then you can just tap continue. Character voice, you can select here, and then you can upload. You can generate a picture, photorealistic. Whatever, I'm just giving you an example. Profile details. And then you can just submit it. And then this usually takes 3 minutes. It takes longer than 5 minutes. Contact support at LIFELIKE app or try again. And then it just starts creating this AI character for you. And then, yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then you can just start talking with that. So, yeah, and then you should see my profile, and then create it. It will be here in the in your profile, and then your username in the app. This is your username. This is not your character username. can just save it here, and then yep, so that's what it is. Account settings. In the free account you can only have like 1 hour of voice chat per week, so it's not that much if you really like this app. So then after that you will need to upgrade, and then general settings you can just change to the dark mode if you like, and just okay, whatever, upload your avatar. And then eventually if you want to upgrade you can just tap upgrade button, and then here you have two options. So here is just the prices in Danish krona. So premium you can just have it for like $12 per month. That's the premium account, 30 hours of voice chat each month. And then there is ultra, where you have you're paying like $20 per month, and then you're getting like unlimited hours of voice chat. So this is like a normal price, I would suggest, compared to other apps. Usually, yeah, it's like $10 ish. But again, this app is really cool if you like voice experiences, if you like chatting with characters using the voice. Um, so yeah, that's the idea here, and then you just have it here, and then again, so that's how you basically start using the app. So overall, yeah, it's getting better and better. It's getting more users, this app, and I would really recommend you to try it out. It's not that popular yet. It doesn't have like a native app in iOS or Android. So yeah, they just don't have that. Um, so yeah, so hopefully that they will have it quite soon. Then it will be a bit better experience. But then sometimes they just launch these apps and their servers are overloaded, and you can send messages, and then it's become super weird experience. So as of now, this is a really cool app. Not that many users, but really nice design, easy to use. Not that many bugs. Like audio experience is really nice. So you can try it out for sure. And yeah, really recommend it if you're looking for some alternative to some other popular apps. There aren't that many characters here, but yeah, you can see the main categories: featured, new, anime, uh, movies, shows, books, friend, romance, whatever. So a lot of anime characters here, and yep, so give it a try. Pretty cool app.